Hey there, lovely readers! Welcome to this insightful journey where we will uncover the unbelievable changes in your body when you start fasting. Whether you're a fasting novice or an intermittent fasting pro, this comprehensive guide will offer you a wealth of knowledge and practical advice to make the most out of your fasting experience. So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's dive into the fascinating world of fasting together. Fasting has been a practice for centuries, transcending cultures and religions. Recently, it's gained significant attention in the health and wellness community for its potential benefits on the body and mind. But what exactly happens in your body when you fast? And why is it becoming such a popular trend? In this blog, we'll explore the science behind fasting, the stages your body goes through, the benefits you can expect, and some practical tips to ensure you fast safely and effectively. The science of fasting. To understand what happens during fasting, it's essential to know the basic science behind it. When you eat, your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which provides energy. However, when you fast, your body has to find an alternative energy source since glucose isn't readily available. Initial stage, 0 to 8 hours. During the first few hours of fasting, your body uses up the glucose in your bloodstream and begins to tap into glycogen stores in your liver and muscles. Glycogen is essentially stored glucose, and breaking it down provides a steady supply of energy. Transition stage, 8 to 12 hours. As glycogen stores deplete, your body starts to transition into a state called ketosis, where it begins to break down fats into ketones, an alternative energy source. This process is often associated with the metabolic benefits of fasting. Deep fasting stage, 12 plus hours. After around 12 hours, your body fully enters ketosis. At this point, fat becomes the primary energy source, and several interesting changes begin to occur in your body. Unbelievable changes in your body. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve into the incredible transformations your body undergoes during fasting. Enhanced fat burning. As your body shifts to using fat for energy, you begin to burn fat more efficiently. This can lead to significant weight loss and improved body composition over time. Practical tip. To maximize fat burning, aim for intermittent fasting windows of 16 hours fasting and 8 hours eating. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Practical tip. Combine fasting with a diet rich in whole foods and low in processed sugars to enhance this benefit. Cellular repair and autophagy. During fasting, your body initiates autophagy, a process where it removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This can improve overall cellular health and longevity. Practical tip. Incorporate regular fasting periods, such as 24-hour fasts once a week, to stimulate autophagy. Reduced inflammation. Fasting has been shown to decrease inflammation levels in the body, which can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Practical tip. Stay hydrated and consume anti-inflammatory foods during your eating windows, such as berries, leafy greens, and fatty fish. Mental clarity and focus. Many people report enhanced mental clarity and focus during fasting periods, likely due to stabilized blood sugar levels and the production of ketones. Practical tip. Use fasting periods to engage in mentally demanding tasks or creative projects to take advantage of this cognitive boost. You're doing great! By now, you should have a solid understanding of the incredible changes fasting can bring to your body. As a thank you for sticking with us, we have a special gift for you. Check the description for a free ebook titled 20 Foods to Boost Your Immune System, packed with tips and recipes to help you stay healthy and strong. Practical advice for safe fasting. While fasting offers numerous benefits, it's essential to approach it safely and mindfully. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout your fasting period to stay hydrated. Herbal teas and black coffee are also good options. Practical tip: aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and consider adding a pinch of sea salt to your water to maintain electrolyte balance. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to fasting. If you feel lightheaded or excessively tired, it might be a sign to shorten your fasting window. Practical tip: start with shorter fasting periods, like 12 hours, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Break your fast gently. When it's time to eat, avoid overeating or consuming heavy, greasy foods. Opt for a balanced meal with lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Practical tip: a smoothie with fruits, vegetables, and protein powder can be a gentle way to break your fast. Maintain a balanced diet. Fasting is not a license to eat unhealthy foods during your eating window. Focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods to support your overall health. Practical tip: plan your meals ahead of time to ensure they are balanced and nutritious. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a fasting regimen. Practical tip: discuss your fasting plans with your doctor, especially if you have diabetes, low blood pressure, or other health issues. We've reached the end of our fasting journey. I hope this comprehensive guide has enlightened you on the incredible benefits of fasting and provided you with practical tips to incorporate it into your lifestyle safely. Remember, the key to successful fasting is to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and maintain a balanced diet. And don't forget to grab your free ebook, 20 Foods to Boost Your Immune System, available in the description. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated with more health and wellness tips, please subscribe to our blog. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information to help you live your healthiest life. Thank you for reading, and happy fasting!